Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Connection Elastica. This classic game uses a long elastic band, typically about 2 to 3 meters in length, forming a rectangle. Two players stand with the elastic around their ankles, creating the boundaries. A third player then performs a series of jumps and steps, aiming to complete specific patterns without touching the elastic. It's a fun and active game for 3 or more participants. To begin, find an elastic band that's roughly 2 to 3 meters long and tie the ends together to form a loop. Two players, known as the holders, stand with the elastic around their ankles, keeping their feet about 1 foot apart. This creates a rectangular shape. The third player, the jumper, stands outside the elastic, preparing for the first level. Ensure the elastic is taut but not overly stretched. The core of Connection Elastica involves a series of precise jumps and steps. The jumper must follow specific patterns, such as jumping both feet inside, then both feet outside, or landing with 1 foot on each side of the elastic. A successful completion of a pattern without touching the elastic allows the game to advance. If the jumper makes a mistake and touches the elastic, they switch places with one of the holders, becoming a holder themselves. As players master the basic patterns, the game's difficulty increases by raising the elastic. The holders move the elastic from their ankles to their calves, then to their knees, and even up to their thighs. For an extra challenge, the holders can also bring their feet closer together, narrowing the jumping area. The game continues through these escalating levels until a jumper is unable to complete a pattern without touching the elastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.